NCERT Physics, Class 11th, 4th chapter, which is Motion in a Plane, question number 4.21. So particles start from origin at t equal to 0 with initial velocity given as 10 meter per second j cap and move in xy plane with a given acceleration. At what time the x coordinate of particle is 16 meter? So first represent its motion along x and y. Initially the particle is at, let's say the particle starts from origin. It is given that the particle at t equal to 0 is at t equal to 0 the particle is at origin, and t equal to 0, that is initial velocity of particle, is 10 j cap. So initially the particle will move in y direction and u is equal to 10 j cap, that is along y direction. Now the particle has acceleration as acceleration is equal to 8 I cap plus 2 j cap. Due to this acceleration in I cap represent along x and j cap represent along y, due to acceleration along x axis, the particle will start to gain the velocity along x axis. So at what time the coordinate of particle is 16 meter. So in order to write the equation along x axis, by using the equation s equal to ut plus half at square, as acceleration is constant along x direction, we can use this equation. What is displacement? Displacement is final position minus initial position. So along x, displacement can be written as x final minus x initial. Initial velocity in x direction, that is 0, as particle has initial velocity only in y direction. Acceleration in x direction is given as 8, and time that we have to find. Final position, when position of particle becomes 16 meter in x, initial origin so 0, so this is 4 is equal to 4 into t square. So t square is equal to 4. This implies that when particle has coordinate 16 meter, the time is equal to 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, the coordinate of particle would be 16 meter. Now, what is the y coordinate of the particle at that time? So at that instant, we have to find y coordinate. So simply we can use equation in y direction. This was equation in x direction. By using equation in y direction, we can say that y final minus y initial is equal to uy into t plus half ay into t square. Final y that we have to find minus initial y is 0, initial velocity y is 10 into 2, half acceleration in y direction is given as 2 into time is 2. So finally the y coordinate comes out to be 20 plus 4, that is equal to 24 meter. Finally the y coordinate comes out to be 24 meter. And he's asking what is the speed of particle at that time. So in this, what we have to do, we have to write velocity of particle at that time. So v can be written as vx I cap plus vy j cap. So what is vx? Vx is equal to, so first at what time he is asking the speed. What is the speed of particle at that time? It means he might want to ask the speed at t equal to 2 seconds. So we have to find Vx at t equal to 2 seconds by using first equation of motion v equal to u plus at. So Vx is equal to ux, that is 0. Acceleration in x direction, which is given as 8 meter per second square, v equal to u plus a into time, that is 2 seconds. This implies that velocity in x direction at t equal to 2 seconds is equal to 16 meter per second, and vy can be written as uy, that is 10, plus ay, that is 2, and time is 2. This implies that vy can be written as 14 meter per second. So in order to find speed, we can take the magnitude of velocity. So velocity at t equal to 2 seconds is 16 I cap plus 14 j cap. So speed can be written as mod v. This is equal to under root 16 whole square plus 14 whole square.